What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre, back with another powerful video. Hope you're enjoying my video so far and you've been paying close attention because, as you can see, on this specific YouTube channel, I talk about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, and just ways how you can get better, because this could be the year of breakthrough. Because I know there's a lot of people out there that are looking for work from home jobs, online businesses to get started, and this could be your year. So if you're looking for that, this is one website that I'm going to share with you that has a lot of work from home jobs. They're legit. You can do them at your home. You could travel. This website has a lot of different work from home jobs. So if you want to travel and do travel jobs, you want to work from home, stay with your kids, or anywhere remote. So this is a website that I found, and I went through it. They have some great reviews. And there's people out there that are actually making a living from this specific website. So I'm going to jump into things right away. Not going to take up too much of your time. So the website is called remote.co. All right, so remote.co. Here is the website. They have a lot of work from home jobs. So if you can't find anything on here, then you'd have to go through my channel, go through in some of the videos and see what works for you. So the beauty about this website, they basically have everything. So if you scroll through here, you can see they have writing jobs, customer service jobs. So these are some recent jobs. As you can see, they just posted this 9 hours ago, 9 hours ago, this 9 hours ago, 10 hours ago. Developer jobs, marketing jobs, accounting jobs, design jobs, other remote jobs, recruiter, HR. They have online teaching jobs as well. So they have a variety of different jobs that you can search for. So if you come over here and if you're looking to find remote jobs, or if you want to post remote jobs, you can click here where it says find remote jobs. And if you click on it, what's going to pop up? Here, different keywords. So you have accounting, customer service, data entry, design, developers, editing, healthcare, HR, IT, marketing, project manager. So go through here and you could see exactly what it is that you're looking for. So remember, if you do have a skill and you want to apply for one of these jobs, you want to spend time at home with your family, you want to travel, you want to have a remote job where you can not have to worry about getting up extra early, because I know a lot of people out there that are working long hours and you have to travel 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes. It all depends. And that right there, you're spending money on gas. And if you could find something that can actually work from home, be at home with your family, and it's legit, it is great, because at least you're going to have the time and the freedom, right? So these work at home jobs are good, where you can start off. So just scroll through here and you can find a lot of different things. Online teaching jobs. If you're a teacher, this is great, right? So this is part-time. You have entry-level part-time. So, and even if you have another job and you want to have a side hustle, right? Check this out. This is part-time. I don't know what the hour is like, but you can click on it. Virtual admin assistant. This is part-time. This is like freelancing. They posted this like 5 hours ago. So if I click on here, it tells you that you work 10 to 20 hours per week. And you go through here, they'll tell you the criteria, what you need to do. Some of them are going to require a little bit of experience. Some of them don't. Some of them, right, they just must have a Mac computer. So if you have a Mac computer, that's great. If you don't, there's other jobs on here that you could sign up for. And I do believe that you could come through here and send them a resume, get you started, get you set up. So if you're a designer, click on here. You can click on design. So you will see a bunch of different designer jobs, work from home jobs that pops up. and you just go through the site. So again, the website is called remote.co. It's just a great website that I found that I decided I want to share with you because I know there's a lot of people out there that would love to get something going. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking for my #1 recommendation, check out the link in the first description, right? And learn about marketing because that's what I do. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. I didn't want to make this too long, and I'll see you on the next video. All right, like, subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.